let's see, I think that should work. Should. There we are. Or not. Okay, I'm not seeing it. Ah, okay. We're live there, that worked. Good. Okay. What's wrong with you? Okay, we're live on YouTube, but not Twitch. At least as far as I can tell. Annoying. No, it says I'm live now. Then it says it's offline. Okay, I don't know what's going on there. So I've been streaming to PeerTube for a while now. I still intend to do that. But I thought I would just stream to YouTube as well again. If you want to see the progress of the things that I've done so far, you should go check out my PeerTube, since the streams were all saved over there. Okay, that looks good. Should be fine. I don't know why. Maybe I'll get it figured out eventually. Okay, but this was what I did last. I got this to work. Which isn't that interesting, but I just needed a simple example to get uniform buffers to work. And you see, it's changing shape as I change the. Sorry, with here, yeah, you got a uniform buffer. And I was trying to get it into here, but I still don't have SSBO stuff. Yeah. Still need to figure out how to do shader storage buffers. So I was looking at this. What was it? Okay. Cool. Yeah. So is this guy, but at this point I feel like this tutorial stuff isn't really that helpful. I'm finding more success just by searching through the source file they provide down there, which is nice that they provide that. But okay, so I have that this burger. I made that when I was doing the uniform buffers stuff. I want to look at here. Here. Here, and I believe it's Okay, that's the whole option. That looks good. Okay. Right. Right. So I started trying to copy it over, and then I realized the problem. I don't want to be doing this multiple times. Oh, no, that's not what it was. Oh, it didn't save because I closed out without saving. Okay. But I realized that I don't want to do like this stuff multiple times. Set layout. Let's see. Sorry. Um, yeah, this just creates the buffer, and then I'm looking for you. Here we're creating several layout bindings, and then yeah. So I want to end up doing something like this. But the difference here is that unlike you, I don't have it all woven in with, I don't want to have it all like what I'm specifically doing woven into the implementation. I need some sort of API. That's why I have this make UBO. I decided to modify the pipeline. It's just I'm not doing that. I could. It's over here. This just has all the information about the pipeline and extra stuff specific to like things that I might not have or whatever. Cool. So I'm like design of modifying this bugger. I add a UBO. So then I would add this to some sort of dynamic array. And then I do this at the end, perhaps when, oh, where am I? Okay, you here, yeah. So I imagine when I'm like making the pipeline properly. So I like add a bunch of information into the struct with the UBO and the SSBO and whatever else. And then I do this on the end. The only question is here we do this guy first, and then we make the buffers. I don't know if it matters. I would hope that it doesn't. Like if this guy has to be made first before the buffers can be made. I would hope that that isn't the case. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go off the assumption that it doesn't, and then if there is a problem, I'll find that out later. But what I'm going to do is just so I'm going to create this guy, like add it to an array, a dynamic array. Oh, hold up. Got distracted there. Oh, did I do? That's funny. Okay. I'll just leave it that way for now. I didn't put a title or anything on the YouTube live stream. I could figure that out in later live streams. But yeah. Twitch is still being funky. Whatever. Okay, so I need an array, right? So I need to collect an array of those guys. And this is towards the end, isn't it? Let's go look at you again. Yeah, so we do this once. Cool. So, okay, what I'm going to do is hang out on here and just make sure it compiles and runs the same way I expect it to. I'm going to ignore this stuff for now. I believe I got over here. Sorry. What am I doing? Oh, you're being slow. Oh no, you're good though. Okay, that's fine. Twitch is the only one that's acting up. All right. Okay, I'm gonna do it. This bugger. And go here. Bugger. Yeah, that works. Okay. And shove that over there. Yeah, that's fine. Whatever. Okay. Right. So this will happen once. It's fine. Buffer size. And then I'll create the memory. Am I? No, I'm doing size. Right. This only happens if it's not staged. So that complicates things with my structure here. Because I might have a buffer that doesn't have memory. Where's the, okay, here it is. Okay. Oh, I see. I can just have the memory thing with it. And not use it if it doesn't exist. Descriptor set. Maps. Oh, it's just, so it's just a raw pointer. I think memory still exists. Yeah, I still have memory, but it's the maps. Yeah, this is bugger that won't be used. So it's just a raw pointer. That's fine. Whatever. But then I need like an array for each one. So layout, that's fine. but then you end up creating a buffer for each. Same thing here. And map memory. But then here's a transfer buffer. I don't think I'm going to use this right away. I'm going to create a shader storage buffer, the same as the uniform. It'd be like a host visible, a host coherent stuff. That's what I think I'm going to do. But I still want the ability to do this. Okay, so that would mean I'd want to structure like descriptor set. So I need a descriptor set for each. These buggers, do they care about? Yeah, it looks like they do. Descriptor set, here we are. Nice frames and flight. It's funny, but so then this requires okay. Or something like that. um, all right. Okay, so what I'm thinking is this bugger probably does fail. Okay. Here, there we go. Okay. Now I should be able to just snag several random things. And throw it in my layouts. Okay, well, that's fine. This is done once. That's one thing that I know. Uh, okay, a couple things. Return. Um, okay. Hmm. Okay, this should be fine. Sorry. It's layout binding. I should probably create a different structure that's like a builder, a pipeline builder or something like that. That's what I'm feeling. Layout bindings is dynamic array of yeah. That okay. Okay. Pipeline dot layout bindings 0. And then you are when pipeline dot layout bindings. Okay. U32 should be good. Now let's see if this still works. Yep, perfectly fine. Cool. Cool. So I guess it doesn't matter the order. Okay. right, sorry. What was I looking at? Oh, okay. I need to figure out, I think these guys move in there too. Okay. This is layouts, descriptor set layout. Nice frames and flight layouts. Oh, I see. Is that? Yeah, not in here. So that's elsewhere. Why is it in here? What does it use in here? Oh, no, that is in my tongue. Um, oh, I see. Cool. All right, I'm just gonna throw this in there. Size. Ooh. Hold up, though. Wait, you're used in that? Yeah, I should make a pipeline builder. Okay. All right. Figure out what I need as I go. So this is for every buffer, and then I could do sorry. For every buffer and binding, and then size is not I meant to do. Okay. Size. Okay, device size. Fine. And I think there would be other things in here that don't need to be in the end result. But I could also just do this. That'll help clean something up. So that's what I'm building. And then at the result of whatever. Yeah. So then, all right, that's why I did that. Oh, magic. Anyways, so do builder, and watch the consequences. Right. Okay, so I need to down here. I need to make you, yeah. Hash SOA. Cool. Cool. Okay, so figure this out in a moment. I want to look at that stuff when buffers. I think that works. Anyways, pipeline top buffers. That should work for there. All of the warnings disappeared. Import. Frames. Okay, I'm going to ugh, kidding. Heck, I guess it's not time. No problem. There you are. Okay. I see. Cool. So I need to think about these, but I'm too lazy. Descriptor pool. Okay. I could add using into there, but I don't want to. I was originally thinking that this would be a nice opportunity to look through things. But it's clear. Oh. All right, for J and when buffers. If I do this, yeah, okay, so that cool. I don't think that's quite right. Her info. There we are. Okay, so yeah, there's a count. Okay. I need to do it like this. Oh, I need to make it as a slice. Yeah, I need to make it as a slice because I don't know how to compile time. Right, yeah, I can just free it afterwards, I guess. Make your slice, comma, funny. I don't think I spelled it wrong. That's fine. Okay. Buffer info. Share. So yeah, I got you and then 0. I think that just works. Line has some field frames. Buffer info, buffer info. Well, let's see if it compiles. It does. It works perfectly fine. I realized it didn't compile. There's a problem with doing it this way. Oh, it looks like oven's crashing. Still a young language, that happens. Oh, okay. No, right, that makes sense. I need to look at. I was wondering, I'm like, something should be going on here. Okay. Pipeline. Ah. Create pipeline here. Over. Uniform descriptor pool. Have a type. Okay, wait, let's look at. I mean, first, since I fixed that, let's see what happens if I get it to compile. here. This is so annoying. Okay, so I was thinking of like pipeline like that, like re-declare it, shadow it. I think that works. I don't know. I might complain if I do that. But I was thinking of doing that, but this is the problem of okay and error handling. We really need like an or do because of this problem here where the error handling doesn't match up. Because I have like or return. Where do I use that? Yeah. Or return. But we need like an or do instead of needing to do if not. And have okay there. But so I guess I can do. Let's do this. Do pipeline comma. That's what I've decided to do. This is the part that annoys me: is the fact that I have to name differently because I can't like use the same okay because I'm declaring this. If we're doing that, then I can do that, but you read the wrong type. So I have no idea if it'll complain about that. Well, it'll complain about the fact that I'm not using it that way yet. It's not complaining about. Yes, where's make? There we are. So I want to put in a builder and return like that. Or returns are fine. Hmm. Yeah, okay, so I can do the same thing here. Builder and do it's doing this builder thing. Pipeline up, pipeline up. You have to be kidding. This is, well, okay then. But yeah, so then red equals that would work. Possibly. Oh, I see. Okay, redeclaration of pipeline. Let's go. I can leave a builder for another day. Yeah, I think it's fine. I'm going to undo all this junk that I've done in here. Inmate buffers. I'm gonna get rid of this builder junk. It's fun. Okay, hold on just a second. Down here, I'm just gonna drag these in. Okay. Oh. Should be fine. Let's okay. So annoying. Oh, you're right there. Cool. Window frames. Gosh. Okay. Buffer info. So I'm not complaining about this. It makes no sense for that to. Okay. Okay. And that should just work. There we are. Okay, so it's a different problem. Okay, I distracted myself trying to see if it'll compile. But what was the problem that I was facing earlier? 'Oh, that's actually different. 474. Layout findings is in. Of course it is. Okay. Inside, cool. Let's start. Am I using you? I am using you. append at pipeline buffers. Oh, that's annoying. Can I do that? This is another thing that annoys me about Odin. Okay. Um. That is so annoying. I have to name that. Okay. Data. Layout. Can you say? Very cool. What was I doing? Oh. Cool and size. That's not happening automatically. Oh, fun. I think I just saw something like that happening. Something. Okay. No, wait. Is range supposed to be 32? Because before it just said size. Okay, I'm going to, because right now that's the only thing it's being used for. Or whenever U64. Oh, actually, does it even matter? Yeah, because it's just being cast. Hold on. Ah, why am I doing that? I'm casting it there. What? Okay. I'll do it that way. Device size. Device size. Why am I casting it when I already casted it? I don't know. I must have been like the order of doing things. Okay, you're fine. Offset. I don't think I'm gonna offset. In any case, I should fix that on 0. I do need to deal with if it's 0, because it might be 0. So I might not add any other buffers, but it shouldn't be 0 right now. Oh my goodness. It's gonna be fun. Okay. Oh, it just works. Okay. But that does remind me that I need to check if it's 0. Because this is supposed to be moved elsewhere. Make screen pipeline. Okay. Just gonna pop you in there. That should work perfectly. I wonder if I can throw it in here. Ah, it works. Okay, cool. Make buffers. All right, I've gone and shrunk you. Map memory may not happen. And it, so I, okay, with this example, we have three different buffers. One's a uniform buffer, one's a transfer buffer, and one's a destination buffer. The transfer buffer, what am I looking at? Here. Okay. Okay, the transfer buffer doesn't have, there's only one of them, and it has map memory. The destination buffer is in with the frames, but it doesn't have mapped memory. The uniform buffer has multiple, one for each frame, but it does have mapped memory. So that's fun. That means that here, I want these guys in like multiple places. And again, mapped is a row pointer. That could just be nil. That's fine. So I want that here and out here as well. I also definitely need a builder. I can figure that out later. But I'm not doing transfer bit stuff yet, so I'm just going to ignore that problem. And yeah, good SSBO stuff. You know, not doing or return anymore. Whatever. So create pipeline, I guess, still. But that'll be fine. Yeah, I'm not sure. Just do that. And it looks like that worked. Cool. Make UBO, make SSBO. Yeah, I'm not gonna bother with transfer stuff yet. So I'm just going to do this up here and there. And oh right, I saw you. Why do you have a type descriptor pool? pool size. What is that all about? Descriptor pool. It's down here. 2 pools. One is uniform, one is storage. There's 2 of them. Hold up. This is different from what it says elsewhere. 2 times. Isn't it supposed to be +1? I think it's supposed to be +1. Pool sizes. Data 2. Cool. So this is for each type. Okay, I'm definitely gonna need builder stuff. But if I don't create pool here, if I don't create pool here, then there's basically nothing going to be in this function, meaning that I don't really need this function. But all right, so first off, well, okay, I could do it this way. Buffer data, and here I throw in like the type, which is this bugger, so I could just throw in that. Whatever you are. But yeah, because I need that, and then I'll just need a count. So then I could create that'll be the simplest for getting there, but then once I am there, I could create a list of, like, I can count all of the same type. Yeah, I could just throw that in there. That's fine. All right, so I should figure out what this is. Oh. It's a vk.descriptor type. I think that works. T vk dot Hey, I was about to look it up, but the thing was helpful there, and I think that works. Nothing should change. Cool. Okay, so we have the type. Actually, I'll do that. And throw you in here. Should work. Yeah, that should work. Okay, so I can get the type. Should be able to make a bit set. No, there will be an easier way. But let me do that. And then I'll grab you. Okay. And then I guess you'll just be empty for the time being. And then down in down here. Yeah. What am I looking at? Pipeline shader stages. Make buffers or return. Ah, I see. Yeah, that's what I was expecting to see. Okay. I'll just throw you in here for now. That's fine. Pool sizes. I need to. Okay. Over here, this is done later. This is done after creating the buffers, which is strange. I don't even understand the purpose of this, but I guess that's fine. So I need to group them somehow. Let's do. Oh, I'm not populating the type field yet. I'll do that in a bit. What do I call it? Naming, probably one of the hardest parts about this stuff. Okay, but I don't even know what I'm looking at. I'm just going to throw something in there. Buffers, that's the dynamic array of. Oh. So dynamic array of a dynamic array of buffer data. Is that what it is? Because I'm size. Let's count. Yeah, so I'll need two different sizes, and they could change as I go. Okay, whatever. Oh, for what is it? Top buffers. Yeah, so let's do buffers. I'm running on like not enough brain capacity or something. So I'm just like, let's see what pops up and just run with it. So size, type. So it's just type and layout bindings. No, it's just type. Okay, type if. Or be in buffers. Huh. I'm just going to go off the assumption that if you have one, you also have. If B 0, so this is like a pool. Poop. Fun. Pool of buffers dot type equals buffer dot type. Okay, so I do append pool. Okay, this is kind of fun. Interesting code. And then I'll have another append down there with an append inside. Okay. Pool buffer. And then continue outer. Should be good. And then I throw in another append out here. I'll do pool dynamic array buffer data. I'm going to do append at pool buffer buffers pool. That's fun. Just realized I probably don't need that one, but if I'm appending to pool buffers, buffer, fun. Yeah, and that cleared that up. I didn't even read it. I realized the problem there. Device. That looks like that works. Right now it should work since there's only one buffer, the uniform buffer, but I'm still not populating you. All right, so now I go and so sizes, I iterate through them. You have to be a slice. Okay, another slice. Okay. Defer. Or buffer buffers delete. I don't need a pointer. That's fine. Delete. Cool. Have fun. All right. And then I need to make another slice. sizes is a slice, and I'll make you having for each type. Okay, so it's len buffers. Should be fine. It's not a type, right? I understand. Forget that. Okay. This makes sense. It's the easiest way to do that. I could do len buffers or len pool sizes. It does not matter. I should probably do pool sizes. Whatever. Cool. I see. Okay, so now I need to like iterate through these. All right, cool. Yeah, and I would need to do this twice. Ooh. I'd add into here how many there are. But for now, whatever. I'm not currently supporting having only one and not multiple of max frames into light. Okay, cool. So yeah, let me iterate through these. For size in pool sizes. I should do that. Cool. And type is it's I. You would be. Oh, that works actually. If they're all the same type, so I can do buffers I 0 dot type. That was helpful. I guess it's fine. And then it would be u times buffers I len. I think you also need to be u32. I'm just going to assume that says u32. You can see it down there, it does. I think that's good. I think that just works. It just works. Of course, I'm still not doing anything complicated, so there may still be bugs. For instance, I'm not populating type, but this looks good. Okay, I'm gonna go populate type. make buffers make you view. Let's do, okay, yeah. Type equals uniform buffer. Cool. Do that here. Type equals uniform buffer. I am such a successful human being. Well, does this work? Storage buffer. I think that works. There is also this problem. When I do this, I will have to say where it is. But this looks good. I'm not going to see if this works properly yet until just gotta look at it one more time. Create pipeline is literally doing nothing. So yeah, that's the thing. That means that I can go here instead of doing this. Do pipeline is fill pipeline. Oh, yeah. Well, good thing I checked, but I realized I wasn't recompiling. Very annoying. I'm using make because I want to use it to do shader stuff, and I don't want to have to recreate the shaders every single time. Oh. Which is normally fine, but I'm doing this from a separate library, so okay. But we've got a problem now. Good. Good. Good, I found it. But what is the problem? Null handle. Ooh. Oh, these are a pain to read. Required. Descriptable. Allocate descriptor sets. Okay. Do it that way. Like that. Oh, I see. Wait, no. What? Okay, so this is saying parameter p allocate info. The second argument, allocate info. Descriptor pool. I see. Oh, because yeah, I moved it to afterwards. But isn't it afterwards over here? Descriptor pool is made afterwards. I'm looking at, I'm creating descriptor sets. Descriptor sets is made after. Cool. Okay, good to know. Solves that problem. I'm putting everything all the way to the end here, but that's fine. Let's see. I'm glad I was able to find that so quickly. This can be quite mystifying. So I need descriptor. Okay, that means that this section here is descriptor sets. Okay, descriptor sets. Yeah. What is this? Update descriptor sets. I'm doing that here too. Okay. Make buffers, make descriptor sets. Okay. Make okay. Is that a proc that has something? Can fail. All of this is moved down here. I should make this one thing. Oh no. That's what I'll do. Down here, I was thinking about needing to move it somewhere else anyways. Cool. Do I want... That should work. It should just work. Yep. Okay. Small bug figured out quickly. That was nice. But it looks like everything's good. That means that I should be able to render init. Make UBO, but I'm not making the SSBO. Can I just make the SSBO? Where am I? Make buffers. Size. That is right. Yeah, so I just get the size. Size of uniforms. Shaders. This is voxel data. Oh, I have two of them. I forgot about that. I have voxel data and chunk data. Voxel data is a variable size. I think you probably have to recreate it. Yeah, like a reallocation. If you wanted to change its size. But that should be fine because I don't think I'm currently changing its size. But yeah, so I need voxel data and chunk data. Chunks voxels. where's that to bind? What? No, that's the name. It's a float. Oh, so bouncing back and forth between Odin and GLSO. That's gonna be such madness. Okay. Yeah. Hmm. Okay, so it's a float. You're a chunk. Okay. I'm gonna just snag all of this and throw it in up here. Right next to the uniforms, cool. And then, yeah, this is set up way different. Let's make you struct. Do I not have? I probably have somewhere. Oh, yeah. I was using these guys. Type world. Yes, voxel type. Voxel type is, yeah, just that. And chunk type. Tool? That's weird. I think this is supposed to not be there. But I think it was just working based off of magic. Like I allocated it and then I just went outside the bounds of the array, and I guess GLSL doesn't care. Should be fine. All right. So yeah, I'm going to use those guys. I'm not gonna bother trying that. Okay, so it's chunk type and voxel type. That's fine. And right now, world in it should definitely do that. This is kind of difficult because it's been a while since I've looked at this. Chunks type, yeah. How fun. Okay, so it's chunk type and voxel type are the two I'm doing. Size of, okay, yeah, so I'll just do that. And then I have to multiply it. So, oh, hey, that's a problem. Yeah, the binding. U for U32. I'm gonna have to add in U32. That should be fine. Cool. So you are, yeah, okay. So I'm figuring it out. Voxel type. So a chunk type. chunk type and should be 0. Chunk of the voxel data is 0, so I'll just make it 1. It doesn't matter if it's out of order. The problem is the count. How many are there? Okay, world init. I want to do this. So I have the type. Okay, so I want to get world into that. Yeah, I'll do it that way. Then you are times len of world dot so helpful chunk data. Cool, that should work. I'll put it in order. Whatever. And it's voxel type. Voxel type. Len world dot so helpful. Voxel. Why is it? All right. Voxel type and you are 0. Yeah. It's not currently designed for this. I'll have to look at that in a bit. It's one thing, but the other thing, I think it's just not seeing the other guy yet. Here. Well, it's saved. Let's see what happens if I compile. Does not turn a value. Cannot be used as a value. What is it saying? QBO does not return a value. I see. I was mistaken. It was seeing the changes I made. And you don't exist. I don't know what you do yet. Voxel type of type int size of doesn't return an int. What was that saying about the maximum value? It seems that size of is actually nicer. What was that? U64? Yeah, U64. In that it's just a integer type, I think. Should be fine. But len doesn't do that. Len should get the same treatment so that I'm not constantly struggling. That things are happening. Leaked. That's fine. I can figure out whatever that is later. I should do that. What happened? It's a duplicate binding number. Does Vulkan not like that? Different values. I'll test the thing. I have to reflect it over here because the uniform and the storage buffer are different. um, okay. Okay. I think I'm starting up again. Dang. So annoying how that happens. Oh, my system's going blur. What's up? Is this the GPU's going crazy? It looks like things are popping up now. Oh, the live stream isn't saved too. That's fine. I can look at that later. Okay. So whatever I did. All right. Oh, I'm not gonna do that again. Ugh. That's so annoying. I can't even like look at the log because it closed out while I was accidentally while I was trying to close out the window that was freezing up. Dang. So I don't want to run it again, but I can't really get more information without running it. Okay, so I'm just going to try to guess and sift around. I've been kind of lazily doing things because I'm like, errors will tell me what's wrong. So annoying. Okay, let's go here. Let's get ourselves back to sane territory. Isn't that interesting? Okay, familiar things. I don't want to look at this too much text, but I'm pretty sure that's the same stuff before saying that stuff doesn't line up. How long have I even been streaming? I don't even know because it just crashed the timer thingy. I can probably stop. So freaking annoying. I know it. Like all I know is that it all froze up and then OBS crashed. If OBS didn't crash, I would probably just run in and try to look at things some more. Try a couple different things. But it's a problem that I'm trying to like stream it and I don't want to be cut out every single time. This crashed. You know, I don't know. You got okay, that's a question. Let's look at view, create buffer, staging buffer. Okay, what am I looking at? This descriptor count is the layout binding. So it's not here. But that's layout binding is for here. It's for creating the descriptor set layout, which is up here. Binding 0, 1, 2. Yeah, so even though we're looking at the uniform and then two shader buffers, two storage buffers, it doesn't care. Yeah, but the UBO and the two. Oh, that's different though, but still, the bindings are counted like that. 140. What do I use? And here I'm using 430, which is fine. Everything should be fine. The other possibility is this guy. What was it? I was thinking about earlier. Right. Let's look at you again, because there are some things different here. I don't care about you. I want to look at you. Copy buffer. Ooh. Oh, hey, that would be a thing. Or not. No, I fixed that. Host visible, host coherent. So I expect it to be, and then I map memory. I don't unmap memory. Should I be unmapping memory? Well, what's the uniform? Yeah, you don't unmap memory. Should I be like flip-flopping? Like, should I not have multiple mapped at the same time? I could try that. Again, I'm kind of stuck because I don't want to try anything because the stream will just crash again. I want to look at this more. Stage. MCPY. Let's think. I mean, I could do that. I wouldn't be surprised at all if it's a problem with having multiple mapped memory regions at the same time. I probably need to unmap afterwards. Mm. I'm creating. I am creating. Destroy UVO. What is in here? Destroy buffer. I need to fix that. Up. Update. I'm going to change this to update buffer. Yeah, okay, bring some maps. Oh, hold up. Yeah, I did forget about that. Ooh, buffers memory mapped. That's something that I forgot about. Am I just writing over each one? Destroy UBO. Names, buffers. I think I am. Oh, yes, right, yeah. I'm tired, so I'm realizing there are several problems with what I'm doing right now. I can. Oh, I should. Wait, what I should do is make to-dos so that I know what to look for next time. Where is that memory? No, I'm gonna go over here. Only. Okay, that's one thing. The other thing, go up all the way up here. How do I words? Words are fun. Buffers memory. Okay. And that should be good. I'll come back and figure this out later. I think it's time for me to be done. I don't know how long I've been streaming because the stream crashed when whatever nonsense happened. I might actually mess with some of this off stream just because dealing with that is annoying. I'll just get it to compile and be friendly. But I'll see you later.